Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are opening your WhatsApp app on your phone. At that time guys, you are facing this type of error. As you can see guys, WhatsApp is not responding. So how to fix this error? In this video we will learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys, follow this easy and simple method. Watch this video till and very carefully. So when you are facing this type of error guys, first you need to close your WhatsApp app. So just tap on close app. After closing, you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, now what you need to do, you need to check your internal storage. Okay, if the internal storage is not free, at that time guys, you can face definitely this type of errors on your phone. So first you need to check your internal storage. If the internal storage is not free, you need to free up some space on your phone. After doing this guys, hopefully this time it will fix your problem 100%. So in case still you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to update the WhatsApp app. So open the Google Play Store on your phone, and here you need to search WhatsApp. After searching, if the app update is available, just you need to update the app. After updating, hopefully this time it will fix your problem. But still in case you are facing same type of problem, so last and final method I am going to show you. Open your phone settings, go to apps and notifications like this. From here you need to find out the WhatsApp from the app list. After this, open it, go to storage, clear the caches of the WhatsApp, and if the error was not solving, you need to also clear the storage of your WhatsApp app. Okay, so remember one thing guys, if you are clearing the WhatsApp app storage, it may log out your WhatsApp account from your phone. Just you need to re-register once again your WhatsApp on your phone. So this is the last and final solutions to fix that problem. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.